In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to buy MPH token with fiat currency on Gardarian. If you want to know more information about the coin you are interested in, head to the currencies at the upper of the homepage. Find MPH in the list of coins available for exchange. Then select a fiat currency you want to exchange and enter the sum. Please pay attention to the minimum amount, which is 75 euros. For each transaction, we provide exchange details. Gardarian has a service fee and bank fee. One may vary depending on the payment method you choose. Gardarian does not charge you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Choose your preferred payment method, and after you read the terms of service, click the button to continue. Fill in your wallet address and confirm that you have full access to it. Write your phone number for SMS verification. Your number is needed for further verification steps, and Gardarian will never bother you with a call. Enter the SMS code next. After this, we have to verify your identity. Choose your document type and take a photo of it. The next step is facial verification. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. The status will automatically update once the verification is completed. After this, you'll need to perform the payment. While performing the bank transfer, don't forget to include the reference number. Payment from another person's account and payment without reference would be cancelled. The exchange is performed after we receive payment.